Got a question here about cumulative frequency. We've been given a table and they've done all the cumulative frequencies for us, which is good. And we've been asked to plot these on a graph and then find the median. Okay, now where do you plot these points? Well, we've got this number of oranges by the time we get to 60. So the point to plot it is at the 60 mark, the end of the group. So we need to put 12 on the 60 line. If this scale is 20, that means each of these divisions is 2, so I would put the first point here. 42 at 70, 42 at 70, and the others are like this. And there were no oranges up to 50, so we can plot this point here, the sort of origin. So we can pop a curve on here, something like that. So that effectively is the answer to part A. But just before we leave part A, just let me emphasize again. In that group, we have gained 12 oranges that were between those sizes. So if you think about it, we're running along this axis, climbing in size. By the time we get to 60 millimeters as a diameter, we have got 12 oranges. So this point must be placed at the x-coordinate 60, y-coordinate 12. And it's exactly the same as we progress down the table. So these cumulative frequency points must always be placed on the higher values of your group boundaries. Okay, now we can go on to have a look at part B. Part B says, use your find a graph to find the median diameter. Okay, our range of cumulative frequency values goes from 0 up to 60. The median will be found at a cumulative frequency of half of 60, which is 30. So it's along that line there. And if we drop a vertical from the point of intersection back down onto our x-axis, I think you can see we're getting an answer of 66. So I can say for part B, the median diameter of the 60 oranges that were tested is equal to 66 millimeters. And that is your answer.